An event this weekend in West Michigan aims to help underprivileged families plan for their future. Cooley Law School will hold a pro bono wills and estate planning workshop tomorrow. Law students will team up with attorneys to draft wills for those who can't afford it. It's not open to the public. The participants have already gone through other programs to qualify for this one. But for more on this right now, I'm joined by Nelson Miller, the Associate Dean at Cooley Law School in Grand Rapids. So you already have the group that you're going to work with tomorrow.
We do.
But there is another date coming up, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. So how has this been done before?
Cooley has several of these pro bono or free legal service projects in town. This is the first time we've done an estate planning project with the Grand Rapids Bar Association.
So tell us what's behind this event, then. What are they going to be able to accomplish then tomorrow?
Sure. We'll have 8 lawyers and 8 law students working with a number of clients, indigent clients, clients who are unable to afford the legal service. There are actually 4 services or products they'll provide. One is a will, a second is a health care directive, another one is a financial power of attorney, and then finally guardianships for minors too.
Okay, so there's a lot then. Are you seeing a big need for that? Is that why you decided on this program, or was this something more for the students to get used to? Or tell us about that.
Well, it has both advantages.
Sure.
It's certainly a community need, particularly in the populations that we're trying to reach out to. We've made a point of working with the India Link and Asian Center, and we're also working with Hispanic Latino communities, and then reaching out to the African American community as well. Students do benefit, though, because they're working with lawyers who are in practice, in this field of practice, so they're getting to see firsthand how the good work is done.
So you're preparing for that, and the students, how do the students get to go to this event?
Sure. We actually recruit and qualify them to be sure that they're prepared to do this. They have to be a second or third year student, for example, instead of in the first year of the program. And then they do have writing and drafting skills by that point. They're trained for this, and they're quite familiar with the subjects. What they don't necessarily know is that kind of interpersonal, that interaction with the client, and that's what's so valuable to the students.
Yeah, I'll say. So tell me more about the next event then. Well, first of all, did a lot of people turn out for this one? Did you have to turn people away?
Yes, we've actually had 3 educational forums on this subject already. One at Grand Valley, one down at the Department of Human Services, and another one at the Asian Center, I believe. Actually, a Hindu temple, in fact. And so we've already done quite a bit of community education, but now we're to the point of providing the individual service. And so we do have a good group tomorrow. We did turn some away, but we have another event on December 3rd. So we'll continue to offer this opportunity so long as it's needed.
Wow, that's great. So you had a really great turnout. So then December 3rd, I guess, will that be along the same lines then, the exact same program?
Yes, it will, except the one that's held tomorrow morning is at Cooley Law School. The next one will be over at the Department of Human Services down on Franklin.
Okay, so interesting. Thank you so much. Nelson Miller, the Associate Dean at Cooley Law School. Good luck tomorrow.